certain appointments John Mahama has made. Now, during the time of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, there was this popular slogan called nepotism, family and friends. And the NDC and their media apparatchiks campaigned on it extensively. Oh, tapu screen so. Nebeboa. They campaigned on nepotism seriously. Omo mani luku se sebe. Nana Akufo-Addo akofa ni fiefuo ni na eno di omebi gu aben mu. Ewo bra sa uba pepe mu na wo hwa na ente sa. Intime kra de na me gidi se yede abenua no ma NDC fo na omo betena so a bibi a ye frɛ no se we ye madamfo ana we ye me party chairman mama na adwuma no anka ibi kura nsi. Nanso today Mahama, His Excellency, is not only appointing family and friends, he's not only appointing northern rascals, he's not only appointing Gonja Sakawa rebels, he's actually appointing what we call side chicks, baby mamas, one night stands, and all. These are the people he's appointing. And my heart bleeds. And my heart bleeds because some of us saw these things and saw how these things were going to go. And your Bible can say, Muntie na muntie ni ye. Ya papa ya your friend John Mahama. And yes, ondi ade da o. Utie. And yes, ondi ade da. Oyo a wadi ade. Na esansa ne modern bo anko so ninti. And a ma Ghana for say. What are we going to do? Yempeni biu. And ye didn't call ye. Okotinefie. And the same short memory association as His Excellency John Mahama called Ghanaians has actually confirmed that we have short memories, that people have forgotten that Nana Akufo-Addo was dragged in the mud for appointing people they claim were his family and claim they were his people. Yesterday's show, no me catch them achim for 4. And no crown the second term, no be I mean, some of them didn't come. Somebody like Atachia didn't get an appointment during 2020 when we came for the second time. But yet, NDC for created to yetrim, created to ya junimu say, be biara Akufo-Addo ye biano or gada ediamonu ebusuya. Now, my question be the Ghana media ne. My question is very simple. For 8 years, their problem was Akufo-Addo. Everything they did was about Akufo-Addo. They bastardized Akufo-Addo for 8 years. Now Akufo-Addo is not there. So right now, what is their message? What are they saying now? You see, right now, they have nothing to discuss. One will say, media, no, all of a sudden, don't have anything to discuss. And then, say, who come media stations, so what are they discussing? That is benefiting the Ghanaian people. Then the reason is because they made Akufo-Addo the subject, and their aim was that since Nana Addo the on-face journalists from Fintukain, because if you people have forgotten, one of the reasons why the actors, the actresses, and the media people like John Mahama is the fact say yes na odiomu tukain, odiomu ko Dubai, or top 4x4 momo, or momo ska, or momo cars. This is the reason why the media likes John Mahama. Mr. Otia. And the Akufo-Addo so I know say Mr. Armstrong. Sikana me de baba journalist here dino. Me de beto books at the Amankola school. So it is different. Okay? Ba ko pede obedidi na ne ya no akai na ne because Ghana for ni bebre over 80% say tuana no anokai. Okay? And Mahama knew them say Ghana for nipa bia and Ghana journalists nipa bia. So long as you feed them, they would always be for you, even if your policies are bogus. And that is what they did. Now, my question again is, then Nana Addo Dankwa na modern to Obama so a chain form, a wish sa no posa no ye and the amuye ni nano, say oni hobio. So what is your message now? What was the money message? Money message. Maybe I have been monitoring the media space. They say, the movies. God, there's nothing to discuss. I'm serious, like TV station. Onyane anopa, oyi Nigeria for the love kakra. No my the igudu. I say, obi bebo powder no the awoso no ho kakra. We are no man news. News no so kra no tie news na ya name. Oh God, my God, man. Can you imagine Wolf Blesser coming to give you breaking news and sound like this? Yeah, everybody. Boy, mumero, inshira 105, hey, peace FM, obi amere, Facebook, brabe, or bano no dawa, yeah, what? Just say, like, this is news. You think people will take it serious? Yeah, man, news no crano. Yeah, the correct news, bebano. Sabion predia, some penifon fan chame. Yeah, the half of the time, no better on Cotiduro. Sabi. And now you draw away the unknown backward. Hey, Obano about one some amount. Yeah, Tom say, he's I like can send a cano. We send a friend a pasu. Pasu. Almost say, I do be now. It me say, appetition, no. Appetition is higher. So they waste their time to project things that are not really beneficial to the state. What hurts me about Ghana media, and they say they don't research. Sanka case be abeto. Yen research na yen come the ordinary Ghanaian entiasi no yen to me yet. Rather, we incite people against each other. Yen koka we anyway timom. Yen ko di atron to penny way so. But enemy wo news be the magana nia wo dia wo so wo dogana na wo pen ukre. Sabe, Mr. Bansendo mi bisa na sembi. Ebra Jerry John Rollins no more bano. No almost we no go sit down, make them cheaters every day. Me what? Every day, big men are chopping the money. Yet the side in the share gun of 1 million trim. Say penny bit to baby. Where we are gonna second in our OD. Me pacho a soldier for one buy, you know. Sikane ba ubutu mana. Collins. A soldier for no buy, you know, scan about bottom. Ya wa bre say yeti account be a friend PNDC account 45 who said me wa for sika kogum. Why nya ne dey back? Ya see 50 CDB. Ya digi ni na me wa bring your 50 CD. How many people, excuse me, got their 50 CD back? That is the thing. How many of them got it back? Meanwhile, ebra na wotu hono na ye kan hye utirim se panini na awia unti na wonye yie na de ya na ya me ya ne se Collins akola bi wo ho a wono wo papa ne wo maame aboka edi na ko school wo the school fees man na wadi ene na bra bo asai oni qualification odi be ya adwuma but oblemu aban oblemu pani bi oti ba bi ono akodiska. I'm not saying this to protect any politician. But I want Ghanaian youths, especially the Ghanaian citizens, to know, say, we cannot always sit down and say, penibia diska, penibia riwe, and away na corrupt, and away na corrupt. When we, the people ourselves, are not even marking these leaders. Everybody has their interest. It is only Ghana is about interest, like with politics. Politics need not create interest. And because of that, the political class knows how to toy with our mind.